Hello, how are you? This week we're talking about weather. Rain, wind, snow, all kinds of weather. So, I have a story called The Weather Girls. Now, typically in our classroom, when we're all there, we have a meteorologist, which is a weather person who tells us, predicts what the weather is going to be like for the next day, the week, and so on. So, I have a story called The Weather Girls. You can see there's a cloud. Looks like it's raining. And you can see they're all in raincoats. It's very interesting. So let's see what happens. The Weather Girls. And I want you to know it's the first time I ever read this story because I just got the book last year. It's summertime. We rise and shine. All set to go. We form a line. You can see them forming a line. Uh-oh. Look at that girl. She's trying to slide down the banister. Have you ever slid down the banister? Oh, my husband used to do it when he was a little boy all the time. That's what he tells me. I didn't have a banister to slide down, although I did fall down the stairs one time. A big bright sun. Let's have some fun. We swim and dive and splash and run. You see the big sun? And they're swimming. Oh, what shape did they make? They're floating on their backs. That's very interesting. And they've made circles, haven't they? That's cool. Lush green forest, fresh clean air. Look at all the creatures there. You see the girls are all out. There's a fox and a wild pig and a bear. And they're in the forest. Oh, there's a rabbit and a bird. There are lots of things in the forest. Fall is windy in the city. Trees go gold and red and pretty. We had some pretty gold and red trees this year in the winter, in December. They were very pretty. It's time for sweaters and for fun. Through fallen leaves we run and run. Oh, I hope that you have an opportunity to make a pile of leaves and jump in it. It's so much fun. I used to do that all the time when I was a little girl. I grew up in Pennsylvania, so the leaves were very beautiful there. And you can see all the leaves falling. Sometimes the leaves even look like a little bit of purple. Ooh, they're so pretty. We hop on bikes and ride and ride. We pick apples side by side. Here you can see the apples on the tree. And where I grew up, they had big apple orchards, big trees that had all covered in apples, hundreds and hundreds of trees. And we would go pick those apples off the tree. Wintertime brings lots of snow. Brr, brr, girls, let's go, go, go. Of course, there's the snowman. You see all the girls dressed in their winter clothes with their hats and their coats. I'm sure they have scarves and gloves. And they're trying to catch these little tiny snowflakes on their tongues. It's fun to catch snowflakes on your tongue. Through a blizzard, climb and climb. The mountain's tall. It takes some time. You can see them climbing up the mountain. Whew, the mountain is taller than the trees. The snow has stopped, and we do too. The sky is big and bright and blue. Look, they took off their sweaters and their boots and their gloves and their hats. I wonder why. I wonder what's coming next. My book won't let me turn the page. Spring is springing through the trees. We can feel the gentle breeze. Now remember, I told you that some mountains have snow all year long. I told you that before. And you can see the mountaintops here still have snow, even though it's springtime. The leaves come back nice and green. The flowers start to grow. We just need like a t-shirt or maybe a light jacket in the spring. A big balloon. Hooray, hooray. Up we go. We float away. Strong winds blow and we fly, fly, fly. That's called a hot air balloon. They actually have a fire that shoots up in there. There's a little fire right here. And it shoots up, and the fire, the gases from the fire, the heat, make the balloon float. And then it floats away. The wind kind of carries it. Now look up. A rainbow sky. Oh, How beautiful. The reflection in the water. So beautiful. The girls are taking the time to enjoy this beautiful moment. We all need to slow down and take time to enjoy our seasons and our weather. So I hope you like this story called The Weather Girls. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.